Some places on Earth feel familiar. Mountains, oceans, cities. But there are places that feel wrong. Landscapes so strange that your brain struggles to understand them. Colors that shouldn't exist in nature. Shapes that look designed, not formed. Places that feel more like science fiction than reality. And yet they are all real. Today we're exploring 10 real places on Earth that look like another planet. 1. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni is the largest salt flat on Earth. It stretches endlessly in every direction. At over 10,000 square kilometers, it feels infinite. During the dry season, the surface becomes a cracked white desert. But when the rains arrive, something incredible happens. A thin layer of water covers the salt. The ground transforms into a perfect mirror. The sky reflects so clearly that the horizon disappears. Walking here feels like floating through space. It's one of the most surreal experiences on the planet. 2. Zhangye, Danxia, China. At first glance, these mountains don't look real. Bright reds, deep oranges, soft yellows, layers of color flowing across the landscape. Zhangye, Danxia looks like a painting stretched across the earth, but every stripe tells a geological story. Minerals deposited over millions of years, compressed, tilted, eroded. A reminder that nature can be more creative than imagination. 3. Wadi Rum. Wadi Rum is often called the Valley of the Moon, and once you see it, the name makes sense. Massive sandstone mountains rise from red sand. The landscape feels empty. It's no surprise that filmmakers use Wadi Rum to represent Mars, because standing here feels like standing on another world entirely. 4. Antelope Canyon. The Antelope Canyon was carved slowly, patiently, drop by drop. Flash floods sculpted smooth walls over thousands of years. The result is a canyon that feels alive. Light enters from above, bending and shifting as the sun moves. The walls glow, orange, red, purple. Nothing here looks sharp or broken, everything flows. It feels less like rock and more like liquid frozen in time. 5. Pamukkale. Pamukkale looks like ice, but it's warm to the touch. Mineral-rich hot springs have flowed here for thousands of years. As the water cools, minerals harden into white terraces. Pool after pool, layer after layer. The contrast between bright white stone and turquoise water is striking. It feels unnatural, as if gravity works differently here. More like an alien landscape than a natural spa. 6. Lençóis Maranhenses, Brazil. This place breaks logic. From afar, it looks like a desert, endless white dunes. But during the rainy season, freshwater lagoons form between them. Bright blue water surrounded by pure white sand. The landscape constantly changes. Lagoons appear, disappear, move. It's a temporary world, always shifting, never the same twice. 7. Tsingy de Bemaraha, Madagascar. This is one of the most extreme landscapes on Earth. A forest made entirely of stone. Sharp limestone spikes rise in every direction. The terrain is so hostile that much of it remains unexplored. Narrow bridges and ladders are the only way through. From above, it looks dangerous. From within, it feels alien, like a planet that was never meant to be walked on. 8. Chocolate Hills, Philippines. Thousands of hills, almost identical in shape, spread across the landscape. During the dry season, the grass turns brown, giving the hills their name. The symmetry feels intentional, as if designed, but it's entirely natural, a geological mystery that still raises questions. 9. Ice caves, Iceland. These caves are temporary. They form inside glaciers and disappear just as easily. The walls glow with deep blue light, smooth, perfect, almost artificial. Every year, the caves change shape. No two are ever the same. Walking inside feels like entering a frozen alien world. 10. Cappadocia, Turkey. Cappadocia feels like a dream. Strange rock formations rise from the ground, carved by wind and water over time. Entire cities exist underground, hidden beneath the surface. At sunrise, hundreds of hot air balloons fill the sky, floating silently above a lunar landscape. It's peaceful, surreal, and completely unforgettable. These places don't belong to science fiction. They belong to Earth, formed by time, pressure, water, and chance. Which one feels the most alien to you? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see more places that don't feel real, you know where to subscribe.